Hello, with Gartner Intelligence, I'm Michael Gukas, Chief Economist. This month, it's my pleasure to share with you our data from the January 2018 Gartner Business Index. For the month, the Gartner Business Index registered 57.8. This was driven largely by growth in production and new orders. For a second consecutive month in a row, new orders growth exceeded that of production. And these two factors drove the index higher, but at the same time, they had an impact on backlogs and exports, both of which increased significantly, setting multi-year records themselves. The general consensus among economists is that we are late in the business cycle, and yet from our data, seeing new orders growth in excess of production is typically something that we would see at the start of a business cycle. And while we don't claim that we would see multiple years of additional growth in a new business cycle starting, we do believe that these measures and their relative position to one another suggest that 2018 is going to start off very strongly. As we entered the new year, we also looked at prices received and material input costs among suppliers and manufacturers. What we notice is that entering the new year, manufacturers and their suppliers both passed along significant price increases, as we see from our data in which we've seen a spike for both. This completes Gartner's January 2018 review of the Business Index. For more information, please visit our website, www.gartnerintelligence.com, where you can see past months' videos, as well as our 2017 Year in Review video. For Gartner Intelligence, I'm Michael Gukas. Thank you for your time.